How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once, go ahead and then basically launch the YouTube application here. Once you launch the YouTube app, you can just tap the profile icon from the top right and then just go to manage your Google account option. And once you come to manage your Google account option, over here you should be able to see a list of details where you can simply go to this option called data and privacy. Under data and privacy, over here you should be able to see YouTube watch and search history, so you want to make sure to tap on that option. As you tap on YouTube watch and search history, over here you can simply go to this option over here known as interactions, so tap on that option. When you go to interactions, you can see video likes and dislikes, so tap on it. And when you tap on video likes and dislikes, you can delete them one by one, but that is too much time consuming. To delete all of them, tap the three dots option, tap on delete all. It will ask you for a confirmation, so tap on delete and all of your likes and dislikes will be removed from videos. This way you'll be able to delete all the liked videos on YouTube at once. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.